It's okay, he knocked over the presents.
Yeah, and my lotion.
It's okay in your lotion, right?
Okay.
Who's singing?
He knocked Daddy's present. He knocked Daddy's present.
It's okay, he knocked Daddy's present over.
And my present.
Oh, in your present? Okay.
And the boy's present.
And the boy's present?
Yeah. He knocked Sammy down and Danny too.
Hey, dirt!
And you. Wow.
Sammy, sing! Done real soon. I'm a... That's right.
Money.
Money. It is money.
Yeah, my mommy.
It's actually, yeah, it's money that your uncle gave you.
And these are my money too.
Okay, well, come give it to me.
And what's up, Danny?
Maybe we could say excuse me to Danny.
Instrumental breakdown. Let's act like excavators.
Let's act like an excavator. Oh, this kid. Sammy, how does an excavator work? Show Mama with your arm. Ooh, that's right. Oh, watch this. It's a little excavator. It's called the... Yeah. I'm a hole regulator. That I work all day. Danny, do you ever sleep?
A big dump truck.
A big dump truck.
A small dump truck.
A little dump truck, right, buddy?
I find Nemo yo-yo.
You ever find a Nemo yo-yo? Whose was that, Sammy's?
No, this is Marco.
That one's Sammy's, I think.
Marco bearer.
You want more excavator?
Okay.
Okay.
It fell on a tree.
Okay, it fell off the tree.
Yeah.
I think it was in the bag from Favor.
No.
I think so.
I the bearer.
Excavator's coming on. Please? Okay. You want me to hold you up high to hang it on the tree? How high do you want to be?
Mommy.
Hey, Sam.
Mommy.
Okay.
A tree. Mommy. Mommy.
Everybody playing together. It's a Christmas miracle.